First of all, we have to know what is the relationship between goitrogens and goiter. So, from the word goiter itself, we will get an idea about the involvement of the goitrogens with the enlargement of the thyroid gland. Goitrogen basically is a naturally occurring substances that normally can be found in various of foods, where it have the ability of blocking the iodine uptake by the thyroid gland, thus leading to a phenomenon called the iodine deficiency, and finally the enlargement of the thyroid gland as the response for the iodine lacking.
This figure displays a normal structure of a thyroid gland. Located in the neck, this butterfly-shaped endocrine gland is wrapped around the trachea just below the Adam's apple or the thyroid cartilage.
Since we're already familiar with the structure and the location of the thyroid gland, so now let's move on to its function. So, thyroid gland produces two main hormones, which is T3 and T4, and these hormones productions were controlled by TSH or thyroid stimulating hormones, and iodine is one of the demanded component in the production of these two hormones, and that is why the goitrogen effect is really interfering with the main function of the thyroid gland.
So there are two main types of thyroid hormone produced by the thyroid gland, which is triiodothyronine T3 and tetraiodothyronine T4. So the number indicates on how many iodine does binds to the hormone, and also describe on the importance of iodine adequacy in the production of this hormone. As you can see here, there are a lot of thyroid hormones functions, but generally it circulates in our bloodstream and help to regulate our metabolism. Actually, there are a lot of goitrogen sources that can be found, but since we're talking about food toxicology, thus we just focus on sources from fruits and vegetables. So basically, goitrogenic foods are foods that can inhibit the iodine uptake, and later in this video, we're going to discuss on how iodine deficiency will lead to goiter. This figure shows how the goiter looks like. As goitrogenic substances enter our body, it will inhibit the iodine uptake by the thyroid gland and leads to iodine deficiency. The lacking of the iodine supply will interrupt with the thyroid gland function, as iodine is very fundamental in the production of the thyroid hormones. When there is difficulty in making thyroid hormones, the thyroid gland will enlarge as a way of trying to compensate for this inadequate production of the hormones.